Hello. How we doing? Yeah, it's finished. The dashboard and OBS are in conflict. Must have been finished a minute ago. Hope you're having a good day. We'll see how we get on. You never know. Audio just seems out of whack to me. Oh, I'm just a very, as I said many times, talk too quietly, so now I have to force myself again to talk louder, because when I'm talking, I think I'm talking loud, but I'm actually just mumbling. Which sucks ass. Well and truly does. Anywho, look, it's a screen. I don't think I got to test this now, did I? So that's our mission. We've got our containers. It says destroy supply containers. Look, space actually looks like space. The minimum. Absolutely nothing. Asteroid field on the left hand side. You know? I've been playing X4 as well and realised, well, actually. Tell you what, let's just fly through it now. Have I disabled it? I don't think I did I? If you go too fast, it looks weird anyway, but... Oh look. More enemies. But we need an indication to say we're inside the asteroid field. Is it going to do it? Yeah, so you got that. We've also got the... We've got the dust and the debris. But the debris is literally a square, which is not good. So we can't have that anymore. Shit. What am I fired? Yeah. It's fine. Don't fly into the asteroid, mate. Just to know, these guys are now kicking my ass. I literally haven't changed a lot out. Will you shoot me from where? Behind. Yeah, I'm behind. Stop shooting me from behind. Leave me alone. Did you try to fly in that, or did you try to avoid it? Oh. Ow, 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 ow. I need to run away. Run away. Try and run away. Oh, gosh, afterburner's gone. Forward thrust overrides. So we can still keep going. Oh dear. Yeah, please stop shooting me. It hurts. It hurts. Just put the slide on and... Alright, got a bit of opportunity to try and recover. There we go. The armor's regenning now, and these missiles coming at me. More fighters, which quite the distance off, but must be missiles. Oh, they're not even bothering me. Good. On. My guy's just clearing everything up now. Yeah, well done. Should have made more use of my missiles. That's what they're there for. Alright, next spawns. No, don't attack the mining station. Where's my friendlies? That far out? Okay. These missiles are no good for you. I've got the artillery tails wrong as well. They're not supposed to be fully extended as soon as you fire, and therefore appear behind us, or behind the turret that's firing it. It's supposed to extend. So I've set that up wrong. Oh. Well, you dead. So it could have been down to my own hubris. Oh, shit. Oh, he's behind me now, great. Sir, can you stop shooting me, please, sir? I'm hurt. You're hurting me. Try and accelerate away a bit and do some maneuvers. No. Can we turn upside down? No. Come on, you shouldn't be attacking me anymore. You should be attacking my wingman because he's causing you damage. Yeah. That's what fire these off. It's not like I'm going to be using them for any more fighters. Yeah. Not very effective, them types, those proximity ones, because they're meant for smaller targets. different views, tracking, and maybe I need a one tracking for the cockpit first person, but it's not really a cockpit, so it might be a bit weird. And then we know the objection on that works, but feeling some things need to change around that point of how this mission plays out. And I think that would be no more. Right, yeah, that one called that. I'm not having it there at the start anymore. So when we get primary kills greater than 10, well, we're not adding a secondary, we'll spawn them. And then really? Well, thing is now. Blah. Oh, what's up, Buck? Oh. Let me use a bit closer. Nah, not really. Okay, I'll do that. Huh? Is that? I have to remind myself now, aren't I? Okay. Says. Oops. Silly me. Yeah, and then we'll just have another group there. So we've got a large collection of containers. And then let's get that to line roughly there. $14 and that must be 54. Oh yeah, now that I've actually got detection. When the mouse is in here, I can make sure the arrow keys only work when the mouse is in here. At the minute, it's a bit annoying when you're trying to edit text. Oh, what was that one? That was minus 1000, so this is 0. And then 1000, 0. What? 0. 0? 1000, 0. 1000. Yay, done. Done what? I don't know. Is it going to even consider primary? Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Just making some notes of things that I expect we'll need to do, such as ignoring specific objects, not using specific weapons against types of structures like containers. Why are you firing off missiles when they're more suited for another task? Have to consider how. I think basic is just like do or do not. But a nice one would be some sort of weighted system saying like, well, what's the weight against the target? Should we be using it? Some sort of thing where it's either too low and overkill or too high and useless, sort of thing. But adding something like that would take time and be another way of stopping me from getting this release out. When I mean release, I mean getting the title out, whole title fully released. Because even the time I think I need to do it is not going to be enough. So I need to avoid adding more features and stuff that's just going to like not really add a great deal in the overall of things. Not at this point anyway. Just disabling in case one day maybe we'll end up sticking some sort of AI, you know, like with what's it called? Independence War 2. And when Jax picks up the containers, well, I'm assuming each container has its own little AI to pilot the container to get collected. Which would make sense. Oh. Just in case down the line I end up doing that myself, then yeah. Oh, Good. Oh. Oh. Ow. Oh. I got the RSI in my wrist. Feel the clicks in my wrist. Those little bubbles in the joints. Just have to do some exercises with my wrist, my fingers to try and eliminate that issue. Now, I think so the primary objective, destroy these two groups of containers. But how do I make sure the player doesn't go and do other dash shit? Yeah. More problems, great. Yeah. Yeah, I could have some large. Oh, I don't know. Well, let's just think about it. So we'll just try and get the basics. So we'll have, this is primary count. But when that gets down there, we want to bring in more. And then primary count reduce to 0. And secondary objective is now tertiary. Can you spell tertiary? Fuck no. Right. Tertiary. And this is now secondary. Do the same again. So actually, no. Bit of variation, you know. So wait on that. You need to be Arts 1, and for the moment, you know what? Let's just make it you instead, because at the moment It's a bit too much. 14. Okay. And then well, what is the secondary? Ugh. Let's just keep it simple. And then but no, we're not doing 12. I'll close that, and then when you're spawned, hey. Do we have that? Bleh. That one there. Otherwise, start action delay there. We just gone. Oh no. A few more minutes before ads. Thought we'd gone straight through them. But we haven't, so it's all good in the hood. There we go. Progression, so it calls that calls this and this. 13, which calls 14, which calls 15 and 16. This is add objective. Doesn't really matter, but it makes it more readable. We get the order correct. Oh. Save that, and I'll be right back. Ads are about to happen, so back after the ads. Need to have a bit of a long stretch. We are back. Oh. All right. Yep. Okay. Testing, isn't it? Let's see how it goes. We have containers. Okay. Yeah. on anything. Oh, we managed to destroy the containers anyway! Is that all my wingman's doing? Why has the other objective not triggered? Did I change a value in one place and not the other? I don't. This is destroy the containers, and we still got some to destroy, so. Are you attacking the station? Of course you are, because you're daft. Let's see then, what did I not wire correctly? We have our starting actions, which is nothing, so it is progression. I'll call that one, and when secondary container count. And we spawn the frigates. But when we say, well, that won't happen till that happens. Oops. We need to destroy. That should. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that was the problem. Run over. No. Where's the auxiliary? Right, so attack missile system. Let's see. How that works. Oh, I forgot to disable the AI. Well done. Excuse me, who just rammed me? How rude! Oh yeah, I'm supposed to actually destroy the structure. Did that explode? Oh no, nothing exploded, but... No reference exception. Really? You know when you get it working and then things stop working? Ugh. What's a null reference? It's always saying there's a null. Okay. A null reference, he says. Oh, when we look at this and your deathbed froze. Look at that. Ugh. I wonder what they were. I do not understand. Which one? Is it all ships? Did I put it in there? No. Oh, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Donk. Shit. Wrong button. Also the order of it, is that not even right? No, it's not. Engines, bridge, reactor. Is it backwards? Alright, now it works. Has it worked? No. Have I? Have I messed that up? Honestly. Should have looked at that a bit more carefully. So we need to disable the submodel. And the collider. Well, the collider's disabled. Oh, so what would the other one have been? What would the other have been? So, which was that and nothing else. Must have been something else. Let's have a look at the other one. Please. The subsystem and that's in the collider. Or is that not? Yeah, that's all the colliders, so that's right. This is engine one. Excuse me. Use you. Unbelievable. Alright, it's done it now. It's just fucking being weird. Stop being weird. I think the other one might have been the pylon, to be honest. Engine 2. See how it didn't drop it in there? Oh my word. Stop it. I'm not moving the mouse. That's some quirky bullshit. You move it and it's like, actually, I'm gonna fuck around. What fucking bullshit that is. So we now got them in. There. I'm gonna blow you up. Yes, see the models updated. Yep. You can see the the reason why I added in the strut. There's no back faces. That's why. Might as well put that in then. Sticks it on the end anyway, so why is it giving me like, oh yeah, I will totally insert it here. Not. You know what I mean? And also, oh. Oh. Because we added it into the glider. It is correct in a sense, apart from right. Right when we touched it. The engine. So we move them out. Yep. Move them there. Yep. And now get to add them to the list. Wrong one. Okie dokie. And then we have bridge, reactor, crew, autopilot, repair, even sensors, gun control, engine, and then blow up the engine. I said, blow up. Yeah, that's why I did that. I'm a fool. I'm not a fool. You're a fool. Because when we destroy the subsystem or damage the subsystem, we're looking at, are you attached to a substructure? Yes or no? And now we're saying no, they're not. Ugh. But, excuse me. Which now makes the reason how it should have been in the first place, where we don't need that, just the engine and the pylon. And that's how we did it in here, and that's how it needs to be. So have we screwed up anywhere else, or what? Because then it would be like, well, how have we done it in here? Well, subsystems there, which is correct, but why then would that not be the same issue? Probably. So then we need to move this up here because we want it in the order. So go bridge, and then no, wrong place. Above the collider. Then we've got the subsystems, and then we've got the engine subsystem in that order. So if I wanted these to be actually destructible, then if I had a spot on there, I would have to adjust all the flipping positioning. Let's say if I wanted to add sensors, then I would have gun control above, and then I'd have to put these inside the collider. Maybe that's what I should do then. Make it obvious it needs to be in there. Maybe that's the way forward. This is the way forward. Suppose it is, to be honest. Goes in there, and then let's fucking reverse the order, you bastard. I hate it when it does that. Why? Why, Unity? Why can't you keep the order correct? Why do I have to move things around? I have to do that on the other one again, aren't I? How hard is it? Is to maintain consistency. Well, that one did it anyway. So why did that work and the other one didn't? Beyond me. That cruiser is the only thing, but then we need to look at the battle cruiser. And do the same with you, I suppose. The convex and the engines, and see. Then, where are you? Do you even have the other subsystems? Yes. Okay, so we sort of did it, but not quite. Hey, look, it's done it again. So let's, oh yeah, let's remove it. Oh, you have to do it twice. Oh my god. And hang on a minute. Not even in the correct place. You fucking, I wonder why that worked. Okay. So if these were actually destructible, then we'd have them in here. But they're not. So that's why we don't. Because of some stuff. This is what you have to put in video games if you want detail colliders. Notice this collider? See this section? Invisible? Aha, no. It would actually collide against that. Why? Because it's convex. To have concave, you would have to make even more colliders, like stick there, down there, around here, up here, and then that's where the collision is. And you see, when we do that, then we've got now multiple colliders making stuff up like that. And that's what video games do. It has to check every individual one. There might be some performance checks, like saying, are you within the bounds of the collider? In which case, then it can test more detailed and more thoroughly for a collision. Or not, I would expect. So while I try and simplify the colliders as much as possible, there's only so much you can do, and I feel like what I have done anyway is a bit overkill in the first place. There's not really a very easy way of handling that. Okay, so have we solved it? Have we fixed it? Have I just made things worse? Let's just move that over here. That there. Yeah. Those are the big three. So we start with bridge, and then we can blow up the engines. Yeah, fuel up as well. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Yep, nice. And then you, we start with bridge, crew, sensors, yep. All right. The problem with these is, because it's so close, the actual model just doesn't create the debris because it's collided on itself, which is slightly annoying and something I'll have to just You can see there's a bit of inconsistency here as well on the model. But don't worry about it. I thought I fixed it actually, never mind. And then sort you out. Oh gosh, I'm trying to use controls from X4. See, when you borrow this one up, because it's detached slightly, you do see more of the thingy, of the debris. But there we go. Now with this one, a little red pip on the bottom left of the screen that shows that the engines are severely damaged, and that won't change colour now because, well, can't repair what it doesn't exist. I'll tell you what I would love to do is to go into more detail on the substructures, like this arm being able to blow that up individually, and that bit there, and the rear, etc. But there's only so much I can do if I want to get it released, so it won't be happening, unfortunately. Not in this release anyway, or this title. Maybe if it actually does okay, sequel can go into a bit more depth on that. But if it don't, then why would I? Okay. I noticed on there's like a space game forum Reddit, and like there's some people in there say, does it have multiplayer? If not, why not, kind of thing. I'm not buying it unless there's multiplayer. And then you've got others, when people are talking about my video game has multiplayer, saying I'm not buying it unless it's got single player. And you've got that niche of both sides, though I feel the single player is a bigger group, because when everyone says, oh yeah, it's multiplayer only, it gets downvoted quite a lot, whereas those with the single player just gets ratioed to 0. Yeah, so it just goes to show the type of characters on there as well. Oh yeah, should have bought stocks in the defence market. Now that everyone's preparing for World War III. But, oh lovely. And everyone wants to put nukes everywhere. Well, the good thing about nuclear missiles is they're more effective at devastating small parts places rather than huge nuclear fallouts that they used to be. So long as modern nuclear missiles are used, then the rest of the Earth will be destroyed. However, there'll be obviously countries out there which don't have that technology. We'll use them, the more devastating stuff. Oh, so bring on a nuclear ice age. We'll wipe everyone out. Yeah. Why go to other planets if you can't even fix this one? Yeah. Good question. Yes, let's go to Mars so we can do it again. Blow ourselves up. Again. Over red rocks. Yeah. Okie dokie, let's just like make a note in Trello what I've just changed because that was a bug which needed to be resolved on the Faction 1 cruiser. Yeah, I'll do a simple one, yeah. Okay, simple. And that'll be a 0.9 release, 0.19 release. Yeah. Oh, didn't want to do that. I think we'll end it here. There's things I need to think about on how to progress this and how I want this mission to play out a bit better than what we've currently got. Make it feel a bit more multi-stage, multi-tiered progression. Thanks for watching. Go check out my demo. A-Spec First Assault. It's in Early Access as well on Steam. And you can see my other game, which is Space Combat Fighter, called Absolute Territory. So check out those video games. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!